On today's video, we play a game with some little ponies.
My Little Ponies.
Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today, me, my son, and my daughter, we're going to play a game. What is it called? It's called Rainbow Magic Game, My Little Pony. We went and got these, we rented this game from Zanders Game House in Camarillo. Now, we do that because, well, it saves us from buying games, and also it helps them out during the COVID. So, I will leave, I'll leave their information down, or a link to their to the webpage in my comment or in the description. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Judy, would you like to read the instructions?
Sure. Play the game on a flat surface. There's some pieces in here to insert a cloud arc as shown. 3. Turn the sun tiles so their sunshine sides are faced up and connect them together as shown. Keep this off the game board but nearby. 4. Keep the rainbow pieces off the game board but nearby. 5. Each player chooses a My Little Pony mover and puts it on her home starting space. 6. Give the spinner to the youngest player to take the first turn.
All right, let's go ahead and pick these up. Let me see this to make sure I know what I'm doing. All right. Okay, this is the sun.
Who are you gonna be? Who are you gonna be?
Oh, I see now, I think.
You're gonna be
I see now.
or Twilight.
So what we'll do is we'll put this all together like it said. Yes, you guys can pick out your,
We can't. We don't have to get it.
Oh, let me? Hold on, don't break it. It just pops off.
The box?
Yes.
The box? Who are you gonna be, Daddy? Because Judy's being spoilers and I'm being Pinky. Oh my God, look at Pinky, Judy.
Will you look at Pinky, Judy?
Do you think they look weird? They're not like the show. I'm okay with that.
Which one are you, Judy?
The version. You can either be Applejack or Twilight Sparkle.
Oh, there it is. I will be Applejack.
Applejack's strong.
That's right. I don't know.
But Twilight's smart.
What?
And she can fly.
What?
And she can fly.
All right.
And magic.
Let's see. On your turn. Since Judy is the youngest.
She spins first.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see. You spin the spinner and do the action the spinner is pointing to. If you move your mover on the game board, do the action below depending on what space you land on. So let's go ahead. You are the first. And hold on. Actually, we put ours on. Where's your?
This is mine space.
Okay, this one's mine?
Yes, that's yours.
All right. Go ahead and spin. Go ahead and spin.
You get
You're one.
one heart.
One or a heart.
Okay.
Let's see what a heart does. You rescue any pony stuck in Ponyville. Since rescued ponies move to their home spaces. Well, we don't have any in Ponyville. So, Mackie, you go next.
Yeah,
I assume that's
the Ponyville I'm stuck.
all right.
Oh, you go 2 spaces. 1, 2. I get heart.
Yes.
I don't get to rescue no one.
No.
Pony. Yeah.
I'm gonna take one. Am I in that one?
Yes. Yeah.
Then I'm gonna
You
go.
have to go that way.
If you land
You have
on that, you can get to put it.
Now, can we? I didn't read here. Did it say you can go anyway, or do you have to go? Oh, move one space in either direction.
Oh.
So you can go.
Either way.
Yes. Oh, hold on. This
If
one
you go
says
this way,
you
you can
choose
put-
whether to free any pony stuck in Ponyville or in either direction. Yes.
Yeah,
So I'm gonna
if
take.
you go this, you can put one in the.
Yes.
Here's the heart, Daddy.
You can do that one in
But you
there.
have to pin here.
Oh, I see. And this is supposed to sit up.
Oh yeah.
I think so.
And
It
the
stands by itself, it
clouds are
says.
supposed.
Oh wait, this stands up. There's a.
No, there isn't, son. Man, we were just jacking this game up. Oh no, it doesn't. It doesn't until you end it. Until you have it all. See? I think. Stand the rainbow. Yes, the end of the game is to stand the rainbow up. So, but we do put this on here. Man, this game's difficult, Judy.
But I like my little pony.
Yeah, this is difficult.
Well, I hope it fits, but I don't know. It's looking like it's being tough. Maybe, oh, there we go. Man, I'm so glad I could figure stuff out once in a while. There we go. All right, so I gave a piece.
Yeah, you have to look at the bottom to see.
Oh,
And you have to put it right here.
Yeah, you have to put that one right
okay.
there.
Judy's turn. Oh, no. Yes,
Oh, it's my.
it's your turn, because you're the youngest. Here's your thing.
Okay.
All right,
Hi.
I think we got it going now. 4.
Okay.
4?
Yes,
Oh yeah.
you can go either way.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What does that mean?
Oh, you have a sun. You have to, let's see.
You have to pin a part of the sun.
Turn one sun tile over so its stormy side is face up.
Oh
Yeah.
no! You have to make it there before it gets all the way
Yes.
stormy.
There you go.
Oh no.
Yeah, we have to make it to the party before it's all the way stormy.
2 I got. 1, 2. What do? I just landed on.
You just landed on your own. You could have, well, it didn't matter. You would have landed on a space anyways. You would have landed on a horse space anyways. Either way you go. So, I'm
What do
gonna,
I do?
nothing. You're home.
Pinkie Pie has the curve.
3. This one's me, right?
Yeah, that's you. You're always gonna be the strong one.
I know.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Look at that.
Hooray!
What's this one? Stars.
Stars,
So
yeah, put
you
it right
get
there.
it at the stop.
All right, Judy's turn.
Okay, my turn. 3.
1, 2, 3. At least they haven't.
No.
3.
1, 2, 3. At least they haven't.
Nobody in there.
Ponyville yet.
No.
I don't want to get in Ponyville because then I'm stuck in there and I can't get a next turn until someone saves me. Right, Mac?
Yeah. I can't go fast out to Ponyville.
Okay.
I can't run to Ponyville.
Or anything.
Mackie's turn? Yes.
Yes, Max.
No!
Ponyville.
There it is.
In Ponyville. Well, I can't wait. Save me, Daddy.
I will see, buddy. Where I'm here? Let's see. Hold on.
2, 3.
No. 1, 2, 3.
Hooray!
Yep, you can get out. You gotta go your home.
Yeah,
Whee! Hi.
There you go.
Hi, Daddy. I'm on the same.
I know.
What does that mean?
What is it? You're on the sun. What does the sun say? Sun, turn one sun tile over so its stormy side is face up.
You're raising. You're raising this.
Well, she's just asking, make sure. And I wanted to make sure. I don't want to do it wrong. There you go, buddy.
I hope I
It's
don't
a
get
very,
Ponyville.
it's a very important game here.
Yes, I got 1 though. What is that?
Which way did you go?
This.
You get to spin again, it looks like.
Is that what it is? I think it is. Yes. Spin
Spin
again.
again. You knocked Daddy over.
4.
That's
I
fine.
got 4.
You
You
got
knocked
4.
Daddy over.
1, 2, 3, 4. No!
No.
Oh no, it's almost like a little stormy already.
Can you do this for you, Mac?
Yeah.
Because you can't reach it?
How about we put it closer to me and you? How about we put kind of in the middle?
That's fine.
Like right here.
Okay.
Okay. I sure hope we're doing this right.
Here, Daddy, it's your turn.
Okay.
Wait, where are you?
Oh, Ponyville.
Oh,
Throw
you're
me in
already
in
there.
there.
Yeah, I got pushed in.
Hey,
There you go,
Hey,
Judy.
Daddy, I'm standing just like you.
Oh my, you're ready to go.
2. I'd land on the pony's face.
Yes, you do.
They're away.
Hey, hooray!
Give it to
you
Mackie.
break
Mackie?
my space.
It's Mackie's turn.
So nothing happens.
No! You only have 2 spaces left. Actually, 3.
Oh, I see. We've been doing it. Hey, when we land on a sunny one here, we can turn one of the stormy ones over.
Oh.
So I thought so, but I could not remember. No, you didn't, buddy, because you landed on this one. If you land on that, you turn it over.
Okay.
So now we know.
Here in Ponyville.
Oh yeah.
I might save you.
I think I skipped my turn, don't I? If
Yeah,
I'm
you
in.
skip your turn.
All right, go ahead until somebody gets me out.
Okay, I might get you out.
I hope
Right
so.
now? I think that means 2.
That's 2.
That's 2.
2. Get the rainbow, Judy. Get the rainbow. No.
Oh, yay! Thank you, Judy.
You're welcome.
But then, Daddy, I hope you get 2.
Well, it's your turn, buddy.
That's when it's your turn. I hope you
Daddy, get 2.
No! Ponyville. But Ponyville's your party place, where the bakery is.
3.
You live in the bakery.
2.
I live in the bakery.
1, 2, 3. All right, buddy. I'm gonna give you a solid one. Here.
Thank you.
Put yours.
Wee.
There you go. No, just put it on your spot there. You don't have to. Why are you pushing me over? You guys are silly. There you go.
Max the party pony. Yes, I know. People over. Just kidding.
1.
Why have you not
You want this one?
got
The
the
Fluttershy cutie mark's the same as this.
Huh? Oh my.
Oh my god.
What?
Then where you at? Oh, good.
Why?
I'm just saying, good. We got more of the.
Because you see, my cutie mark.
You do have a cutie mark.
1.
Every grown-up pony has a cutie
Yeah.
mark.
Hooray.
Okay, you turn one of those. Yeah, good job, buddy.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
I have 1 or a heart. Where am I at?
1 or a heart.
You're 1 here.
Oh, then I'm gonna take that.
Okay.
And we'll turn another one over.
We have to make it to
Our party.
crit.
There you go, Judy.
Crit.
Get the pony.
Cancer lot. We have to make it to cancer lot.
Hmm.
Oh, that's Storm.
Oh. Can you do it, Judy?
Don't worry. Because we'll make it to the party. Yeah.
Right, Daddy?
On
Yeah.
time. I hope. No! Went right to
But your bakery home is there.
No way.
Oh no.
Put it back in.
What?
I landed on the.
Oh no.
Everything's going downhill.
No, no, no.
At least we still have 3 spaces left.
Yeah, 2.
This counts as
Oh my gosh! Now I gotta try to save you guys. Get you. Or
Please.
Is
that right?
All 3 of us get in Ponyville, will we live the whole game?
Oh, we're in trouble, guys.
We're in trouble. We're in trouble.
Yeah.
Don't worry, Daddy.
I know you can save us.
If you get
Hold on,
one
give me a
space,
second
you
now.
could land
I
on
want to
the
make
heart.
sure that this is true.
Only if you get one space, you can land on that heart. No!
We lost.
I think that's a sun. Can we play
Hold on.
again, Daddy?
Hold on. Then again, player will win all 9. The players win with the
1, 2,
plays.
3.
If all 6 sun tiles are flipped to their stony sides or face up, then the game is over and the players lose.
Can we do it again?
Sure.
Yes.
Well, what? Yeah.
One.
Well, there you go, buddy. Oh, what? Oh, there. That's what I was gonna say.
You're stuck in Ponyville. You
I
can't
can get out. I can get out now.
Yes, we all go when we get the here.
No, put that on.
But then you're supposed to try to pick it up and put it.
And that's gonna be the whole party at Ponyville. So we
Did
all
we do
go
it?
to Ponyville. Yes, I think.
This is it.
I think it is.
That's all right. All right, guys. Well, how'd you like the game, guys?
I loved it.
All right. Follow me next week for a brand new video.
We played it 3
Also-
times.
Also follow me on Instagram or Facebook at Dad Life Projects, or email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. Since you're here, why don't you check out these 2 videos right here? Hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that notification bell. And remember, any project you guys do, you are the project manager. Thank you.